Hello friends, good evening all of you. So today's session we are going to say about Unit 2 Boolean Algebra and map simplification methods also. So first, it's an important thing, first question, maybe simplification questions we will get. Any type of simplification. For example, they will give logic gates and Boolean algebra they will give you, and map simplification, K-map simplification they will give any types of simplification. One question we will get. So that one we are going to see today. So today we can move on to this topic. Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra is a branch of mathematics developed by it's a mathematician George Boole in 1854. So it is used to perform logical operations on value. This is normally Boolean means so zeros and ones, true or false. So zero means false. This is a low, and one means truths on, or we can say high. This one. So it's widely used in designing digital circuits, processor, memory units, arithmetic logic units, and control units like this. So actually, whenever we suppose they are giving like this diagram, also we have to know how to simplify like this. Whatever they are giving, we have to know how to drawing also. Suppose if they will give drawing and they will ask you the simplification also sometimes. Okay, so that's why first we have started from logic gates. So logic gates, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND, NOR, XOR, and XNOR gate. So using that gates only, we are going to draw every diagrams. That is important thing. So just you can see here, first one, here simple thing. We are going to move so simple one diagrams up. For example, here x plus y bar z means first you can draw here, first one x is alone is there. So next one y bar is that y bar means just we need to put it's a not. So y bar, this is y bar. So next one is Z. Is that directly we can write this both joined together AND gate, because this is a product AND gate. So with this one we have to make OR gate. Yes. So this one we have to make, this is called OR gate. So this is actual diagram. Okay, so like this we have to know how to drawings also, because sometimes we are going to see many PYQs. Sometimes they will give you diagram and they will tell us to find out simplification, and sometimes they will give you this one like this Boolean function, and they will tell us to draw the which one diagram is correct for this one. Also, maybe we will get questions. So whatever topics we can take, we have to remember different types of questions we have to make ourselves. That is very important. Okay, just here you can see, actually we have written the truth table for this one. We have done last slide. So actually x, y, z. So x, y, z what? Three variables. So we have to put three value truth table. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is first input actually. So already we have done actually in the discrete mathematics itself. What is three variable and four variable truth table, everything we have learned actually. So in this one, y bar we need. So what is y bar? Y bar means this opposite. So you can take 1, 1, this opposite you can write. 1 means 0, this opposite 1 means 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Next one, y bar is that we have to write. Y bar is that we need to calculate multiplication. So this and this we need to do AND gate. So what is AND gate? Anything both are 1 means the value will be 1. Here 1. So others, everything, any value will be 0 means automatically the output will be 0. Okay. Now we need to add x plus y bar z. So we know x here, y bar z here is there. So we need to calculate. So this one, anything value 1 means the answer will be 1 here. Whenever the both values 0, there this a AND gate or gate. So this is the addition. So both value, whenever we are getting input 0, there only the value will output will be 0. Okay. So now we can see 0 and 1. So here 1. First 0, next to 1. First this one and this one you can check it 0. And this one 0, 0, 0. And here 1 and 0, 1. Next to 1, 1, 1. So this is the output actually. This one. Actually we need to know because we are going to make so many questions depends on the two tables itself. Okay, so we have to know how to write the truth table and how to calculate the every functions, everything. Okay, so this is one of the diagrams. So we have to, I told you diagram also we need to draw this, we have to understand. So like this, if they will give diagram, first one x bar, y bar, z. So we can write first one, three things, x, here also x, y, z, x, y. So I'm going to write x, y, z. This is x, this is y, this is z. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to make x bar here, next to y bar here, next to one z. So directly I'm going to make, this is called AND gate. Okay, this is first one, this is over. Next one x bar means I'm going to take from here this line, and y means I'm going to take from here this line, and z means I'm going to take this one. So this is called AND gate. This is one of the AND gate. So xy bar means x I'm going to take this one, and y bar I'm going to take from this place. So automatically this is called xy bar. So like this we can create diagram also. But maximum they will give you one diagram and they will tell us to find out simplification. Maximum they will give you like this. They won't tell us to draw the diagram. Okay, so see this truth table. Here x, y, z actually we have. This is for your exercise purpose only, just I have done. First f1, what is the value? X, y, z bar. So we are going to multiply x, y, z bar. For this to find out f1 only, what I have to do? X, y first, x, y, next is z bar we need to find out. Next to what we need to find out? xy, xy we have to multiply, and xy and z bar we need to multiply. So like this we need to separate this. How we are going to make the table we have to understand. For example, f2 means what I have to do. Oh, first one x, y, z we need to write table. Y bar we have to calculate. So next one y bar z we have to calculate. Plus next one x plus y bar z we need to calculate. Yes. So this is the method. After that you can do. Now xy bar means xy bar plus x bar z means what is the value. So first one x y z we have to write, and x bar we have to write, and y bar we have to write, and we have to calculate xy bar, and we need to calculate x bar z, x bar is z, and we need to calculate x bar y bar plus x bar is z we need to calculate. So one simple f3 we need to calculate. This simple thing we need to create. These are the tables we need to create. Okay, once if you create write this one, fields automatically you can work out yourself. So next one you can see here. Next F4 how we are going to calculate. So this is huge one. So first one x, y, z, x bar, y bar, z bar no need actually. So then one x bar, y bar, z, and like this we have to separately we have to calculate. I hope it is clear. So next class we are going to see is here Boolean laws. What are the laws is there? So that we have to remind. Then only we can find out the simplification. So what are the commutative law? This one like this we are going to learn tomorrow session, and we are going to see the simplification, and K-map method also we are going to learn from tomorrow. Okay, so K-map it's very much important. Sure we will get maximum 90% K-map question we will get. Okay, today's session just you can see to it. If you have any doubt, just you can put in the WhatsApp group or this comment section also. So thank you all of you. Thank you once again today this one.